Welcome to my YouTube channel Marketing 5.0. Thanks Machan continuously watching my videos, subscribing to my channel and sharing with your network. So as you see, we released almost now seven series of videos starting from marketing strategy, cleared or explained, technology in marketing, marketing innovation, which is our big series, and know your consumer, and very recently we released sustainable marketing, and we reached almost half a century videos thanks to your continuous support and comments, the motivation for me to release this series. And one popular demand from most of the people, those who I interact and share my videos, is they want me to talk about the what is happening now, the marketing aspects of current trends during this troubled times, a pandemic, whatever we call. So I consciously avoided these videos because I always believe change is the constant. Things will always change. So I focused on more grounded uh, concepts, the videos, the unique aspects, which you have seen in my videos, which are original, thought-provoking, unique, trendy, and futuristic in nature. In whatever the series we have taken into consideration and we released. But I see that now, as you see, my attire also now changed because I am becoming more casual. It's more of a uh, the discussion sort of a thing where I want to talk to you. Apart from the videos you've seen, there are more on a very serious note of the different aspects. So I decided, okay, now just paying heed to the popular demand of the audience. I wanted to talk about the current trends of marketing. So that is why I am starting a new series called The Marketing Today. So the marketing today, we will talk about the different aspects, how the companies, consumers, the different stakeholders, different aspects which are affecting the aspects, the trends during these troubled times. So I don't call it as a pandemic. So it is a troubled time. So troubled times are something which we always come across. The only thing is like this is bit prolonging aspect for almost 6 7 months. We are facing this issue. So in this series, we will just discuss and talk the aspects which the companies and the consumers, the different angles we discuss about it. So the trouble times. So we discuss about the consumer mindset during these trouble times and the confidence of companies in doing business and involving in new marketing initiatives and the appropriate marketing strategy which company can adopt during these troubled times. So how they can manage themselves. So you can see that the series of the videos which I released, actually it also has a kind of an undertone which talks about these troubled times, but it is not very vocal about it. Where we can talk about this compassionate marketing or the sustainable marketing or technology in marketing or marketing innovation. So all these aspects has an undertone of how you can manage your company during these troubled times. But now we see this series, which is very vocal about how a company can manage the business, how they can involve in marketing practices during these troubled times. So that is what we will be discussing in this series. And please just give your suggestions, feedback, and how I want to take it. Because whenever I plan any series, I have a clear plan of how I want to release videos, the series of videos. But the series I started with that open mind. It's a kind of open series because as actually every day the new things are unfolding, as we see these trouble times, how it is progressing over a period of time. It's almost 6 months to 7 months. So that is why I want to keep this series also open, the marketing today. I'm not planned anything. So please give your the feedback on how I can take it forward. So I have an immediate plan of talking about the consumer confidence, the mindset, the company confidence, and also the marketing strategy for the companies during these troubled times. And I will talk about the marketing, the organizations, how the organizations can focus on becoming more slim and trim and agile during this struggle time. That is what is happening. So I don't call it as a kind of a downsizing which organizations are doing. So they are becoming more agile. They're becoming more flat, slim and trim. So that is what the organization is going towards that. And also the general trends which are happening, the entire the aspects related to the business and marketing, the supply chain and all those things. So one thing I see that I'm just viewing this time, trouble times, is it's a kind of a passing cloud. Things are changing. Things are getting better day by day. So the company also need to focus on how they can manage things. So they have to take things by day basis. So at this point of time, the company cannot plan for the immediate future, but things are happening. So a lot of things. So it may look now a bit bleak, the immediate future, but definitely that scenario will change in no time. So the company needs to keep the confidence, and they have to stick to their plans. They may shelf their plans which already they have for this year because of the uncertain times we are facing by the expansion plans or launching new products or services, or especially the strategic the initiatives which they can shelf it for a period of time. And now they can focus on tidying up the company and just like tidying up the loose ends. So this is a high time for the companies. Now they have to focus on tidying up the loose ends or divesting the products which are not doing, because this is the scenario which definitely give an opportunity for the company to look inwards instead of looking outwards, because so far the companies were so busy in managing things because of the normal period. They were focusing on targets, sales growth. But now this is a time now, uh, uh, it is a kind of an opportunity for company to look inwards of how they can manage things. It is also kind of a self introspection for them. The company can do self introspection at this point of time of how they can go forward, the way forward. So they can talk to the employees or the strategic team of how they can plan their future. And this is a time they can focus on creating a better future for the company. So this is what I see, that these trouble times, normally we don't see it as a kind of a negative. I will see it as a kind of a positive aspect. So having a positive frame of mind and look inwards, do a kind of a self introspection, and even you can do a kind of a strategic exercise across the company to identify how the company can move forward in the future uh, by taking the lessons what they learned at this point of time. So this is what the company can focus on. So like this, we will have a kind of a discussion, open talk in our videos related to the Marketing Today series. So please watch this video and please post your comments, feedback of how we want me to take this forward, and accordingly I will plan my videos in this series. So I started this series with open mind, so I have not planned anything. So it is a kind of an open series, Marketing Today. So based on your inputs and comments, so I will take it forward. So once again, thank you very much for your continuous support, subscribing to my channel, and watch my videos and share with your network. And especially get benefit out of it. Once again, thank you very much.